My son's attended today and will be attending for the rest of the week. I'm glad activities like this exist. I think it's important for him that he's able to come here throughout the week, throughout the holidays, and speak in Welsh to staff and to his peers. I think it's quite essential. I think you've only got to see that by the number of children that have come here today.
It's good to come here today, but the free activities in Welsh.
This is a brilliant facility. Although I don't speak Welsh, my husband does. And to have this sort of service in these holidays, when my husband isn't around, my son to come here and play and still speak Welsh and be surrounded by Welsh in his own school is just superb. And I know you've got funding for February half term as well, but please keep it going, because this is just a brilliant facility for all the family.
Helo, enw fi yw Siwan a heddiw fi'n neud gweithdi dant trwy gyfrwng Cymraeg, a fi'n meddwl bod hynny'n eitha dda achos pan ni'n fach oedd gynna fi ddim cyfleon fel hyn gyda fi. Fi'n offi dawnsio, oedd dim gwersi i dysgu fi trwy gyfrwng Cymraeg.
Mae amhrisiadol, does dim posib roi pris ar ei werth e. Mae'r hyn sydd yn cael ei gynnig wedi gwella dros y blynyddoedd, a mi fydde'n beth i garw gweld unrhyw dorri nôl yn hynny o beth.
I think it's very important to have this kind of provision. It gives the children an opportunity to speak to each other in Welsh, which is really nice, and they can come and meet their friends and have fun as well.
Dan dwi am y mei fyna, a dyn ni wrth i wneud yn gweithdi band efo bechgyn fan hyn, a ni wedi trio cyfansoddi cyneuon newydd, a hefyd yn gweithio'r cyneuon maen nhw wedi sgwennu yn berod yn ei band nhw. A na fe, mae'n mynd i drums a bass a guitars a keyboards, a ni wrth i fyna yn cyfansoddi.
I don't speak fluent Welsh, but I'm learning, and my husband doesn't speak Welsh at home, so I'm glad that my daughters can access Welsh activities and learn Welsh outside of just learning Welsh in school.
For me personally, I don't speak Welsh at home. We speak English at home, and they're both in Welsh education. I've been since they were in nursery. Anything that I can get them into, especially after school activities, for me personally is a bonus. If they can speak Welsh outside of school, anywhere, for me personally is a bonus anyhow. So this is fantastic. The fact that they've spoken to them Welsh throughout a swimming lesson when they're doing something they love and they thoroughly enjoy, and then I've got the added bonus then of speaking Welsh through it as well.
My name's Ollie from Welsh and Essex. I'm a development officer for Cardiff and Wales, and we're picking up with rights for the South Wales. We've got the Menter Caerdydd level 0 course in present gymnastics. It's being delivered in Welsh and we're working closely with the Menter Caerdydd and Cardiff. So we're a member of community clubs across Cardiff, and we've got some further projects alongside across Wales.
neud llawer o pethau eraill eto.
Fel hwnna.
Fel drafftiau, ie?
Oedd be o'n i nawr yn neud yn rili hwyl.
Dwi wedi mwynhau heddiw yn cynwyo. Rydyn ni'n neud lot o bethau fel hyn yn y dyfodol.
I do think that there's a need for after-school activities in Welsh medium because I think that it's quite important that the children have got other opportunities to use it in a sort of variety of contexts that they, you know, don't, because we are not a Welsh-speaking family, but I'm learning. But so at home we haven't got as much opportunity, so it's really important for us to have a wider sort of range of things that they can do and that they can use Welsh, and it's not just something that's for school, but it's actually for life.
Ni'n hoffi wneud yn Cymraeg oherwydd mae'n ymarfer dweud Cymraeg a mae'n cool. Cymraeg. A mae'n dda achos mae fel rwy'n y pobl Cymraeg. A mae llawer o gweithio a dda i wneud fel yn y gwyliau.
Dwi'n credu mae'n ffordd o cymdeithasu gyda ffrindiau, siarad Cymraeg ar ôl ysgol a dysgu Fideo'n drama, dantio a canu. Ond dwi'n wedi siarad Cymraeg gyda ffrindiau.
Dwi'n hoffi dod yn neud yn y dad ar ôl ysgol yn naso, gael hwyl gyda ffrindiau ni. A mae'n neis gallu siarad Cymraeg a tu allan i'r ysgol tra mae'n neud rhywbeth dwi'n hoffi neud a neud drama trwy'r iaith Cymraeg. Ni'n gwella efo'n Cymraeg ni.